Hi, welcome back to Unedited Hot Sauce Reviews. Today we are reviewing Torchbearer Sauce's all-natural zombie apocalypse sauce. Can y'all see this nonsense right here? It is unopened, just like always. It has ghost peppers, habanero peppers, carrots, mandarin oranges, tomatoes, garlic, distilled vinegar. You can kind of see all of the ingredients right here. But let's get into this guy and see how this tastes. Again, I don't open them beforehand. Y'all get to watch the entire process right here on camera. So there's nothing that I can do to deceive y'all from the sauce and the reaction. Let's check the inside of the bottle. It's okay, kind of clean. Cleaner than most would be for just being open like that, but as always, it's only weird if you make eye contact. Ooh, that has a kick. Y'all know I'm not big on things that lie to me about spice, but this has some spice. Has some flavor to it too. Hang on, I might actually have the hiccups from this one. That's pretty rare for me to have the hiccups. That's got a little bit of a kick to it. I'm not faking any of these. Some of these things don't give me any kind of reaction, but this one has taken me by surprise. It's good too. Good salt, good flavor. The habaneros kind of brighten it up. The ghost pepper gives it that kick, and it tastes like actual ghost pepper. It's spicy like actual ghost pepper because I have the hiccups. Really not bad. I'm gonna give this one an 8.5 out of 10. Y'all really should try this if y'all like good spicy hot sauce. Torchbearer Zombie Apocalypse. It's got ghost pepper, habanero, all that nonsense in there. So y'all saw it all here. It's unedited. That's it. Y'all get the hell out of my kitchen.